you want to be part of the Lit Crew, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, comment when done, and also turn on my post notification bell. And I'm sorry if you can't really see me, even though I'm in the sun. Well, like, the sun is hitting me. So, yeah. I'm trying to get a good okay. So today I'll be doing my slime collection. So I have these two slimes. Some are slime materials. And then I have these two baby ones that I made. No, I got from a birthday party. So let's get started. Okay. So this is materials. These are the materials. So I don't need this. These are the slimes. So yeah, and I'm sorry if you cannot really see me. I got clear slime. I got 1, 2, 3 clear slimes. So I'm just gonna start with about. So I did not get this one, the fart one that makes noise, from the store. I made it myself because they don't sell clear ones, and I also put foam beads and all that in it. So I'm gonna take it out. Okay, so it's really not that stretchy, and if it was, sorry about that, guys. I paused it, but yeah, this is not really that stretchy. So it's easily gonna break. But yeah. So this one will probably be a giveaway. I don't really know who I'm gonna give it to. Oh, and today's post notification shout out goes to Peter O'Geen. So yeah. And thank you for having, well, I don't know if you're unsubscribed or subscribed, but I don't really care. So yeah, thank you for having my post notification bell on, and thank you for subscribing. So this slime I might be giving away, and whoever wants it, comment down below. This this slime is very hard. Okay, this is foam beads slime. I really love it. It's very stretchy. So yeah, I really don't know how many slimes I have, but I might want to put this one away because all the phone beads are dropping. So yeah, this one I might not be giving away because that one's probably hard and I probably need to add more. And the one that I got yesterday, this is clear but it's pink. This one's very stretchy. And if you just go like this, well, I was playing with it and I don't know if it got hot. But let's try again. What if we just pull like this? Well, yeah. I don't really know about this one, but it's clear. Okay, so the fart one, the noise putty, the putty wasn't real putty. It was I used it for a container. And it was clear slime. This one's clear slime, and I'm gonna open my other clear slime, And yeah, sorry if you cannot see me once again in the camera. Okay. And this one's not clear slimes. And now I have to open my green slime. Okay, guys. So this one was actually supposed to be pink, just like the other one. And there was also blue, but I didn't get the blue one. So this one was also supposed to be pink, but my hands are green, and I ate Chinese pickleballs, and my hands really stained it from last night. So yeah, and it's kind of my fault. Yeah, it's really good. This one's very stretchy, and you can like do like a little twirl. See, I love how it makes bubbles. These two I might give away, and I don't really know, and I hope I do. Well, these two I'm not. Probably the pudding one, the other clear slime. So I also have more. And on one of my videos, I'll be doing one of mixing up all my slimes. So stay tuned for that one. This one is black slime, but I just have to take it out. And I use Ziploc bags because I don't really have more containers. I used all of them. But I have one container left. But I probably might use that one. And this one, it'll take time for me to get out. But I'll just try to take out as much as I can. Like this. And I'm sorry if I didn't post yesterday. I'm very sorry. And the post notification shout out for yesterday is the same one. And I will be doing like I don't know how to say it. Like, this one's very stretchy. Y'all will hear the pop. See, this one's very stretchy and a little sticky. And then a little swirl. So yeah, that's that one. Let me go get the 3 containers, the ones that I have with the Ziploc bag. So guys, okay guys, I'm back and I got the container for this slime. So I hope y'all, well, I'm not done with my video yet, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video so far. But I probably, yeah, so I hope y'all are enjoying. So I don't need this back. I should get out of there. I'm not gonna throw this back over. So I'm gonna put it in my other bag where I keep my other bag. Okay, next one. This is really nothing. This is the paint that I use for this, the black one. But I don't think there's any more. Yeah, there's no more. So I probably might use this for my activators. Oh, this one, I don't know if it's sticky. Okay, this one's very liquidy, so we're not gonna do that. Okay, so this is, I had to put more activator. And last but not least, my pineapple slime. But this one's also very sticky, so I have to put activator in it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Remember, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share. I'll be posting every day. And sorry if I didn't post yesterday. And once again, the post notification shout out goes to Peter Ogie. Thank you for having my post notification bell, and thank you for subscribing. Now just comment down below what slime you would like, and if you don't, just comment down below. No. So thank you guys for subscribing. Hope y'all enjoy. So yeah. And I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. Peace.